In a sunny meadow, there lived a hard-working ant and a carefree grasshopper. The ant spent its days carrying grains and seeds to its underground nest, preparing for the cold months ahead. The grasshopper, meanwhile, hopped from leaf to leaf, singing and basking in the sun. "Why work so hard?" the grasshopper chirped one afternoon, strumming its legs like a guitar. "The sun's warmed, the fields are full of food. Enjoy today." The ant paused, balancing a seed on its back. "Winter will come soon," it replied. "I must store food now, or I'll starve later." The grasshopper laughed. "Winter's months away, there's plenty of time." Weeks passed. The ant kept gathering food while the grasshopper danced and sang. One morning, the air turned crisp. "The first frost is near," the ant warned. "Find shelter and food or you'll suffer." The grasshopper rolled its eyes. "The sky's still blue. I'll worry tomorrow." But that night, icy winds swept the meadow. Snow blanketed the ground, burying the grass and leaves. The ant, safe in its cozy nest, nibbled stored grains. The grasshopper, however, shivered in the cold. Its legs trembled and its song turned to silence. Desperate, it crawled to the ant's nest. "Please, share some food," it begged. The ant peered out. "I worked while you played. The meadow doesn't reward later." The door closed gently, leaving the grasshopper to face the bitter truth of his choices. Winter always arrives, but that doesn't mean we cannot enjoy the sunshine while it lasts. Intelligence is not just about working hard. It's about knowing when to prepare, when to relax, and how to find meaning in both. Start small, save $5 daily. Study 20 minutes nightly. Resist later. Do one task now. See the frost, plan for storms, they come unannounced. Will you be the ant or the grasshopper? Look around at the world today. Nations face economic crises, families struggle with rising costs, and many find themselves unprepared for sudden hardships. Companies that ignored innovation are now obsolete. People who lived only for today find themselves without a safety net when adversity strikes. We see this in climate change, where years of ignoring warnings have led to devastating storms and unpredictable weather. We see it in financial instability, where reckless spending has left economies vulnerable. And we see it in personal lives, where those who did not invest in their health now face the consequences of neglect. Yet wisdom isn't just about fearing the future, it's about balance. True intelligence is in adaptability, embracing the joys of today while keeping an eye on tomorrow. The strongest individuals, the most resilient societies, are those who work for the future while savoring the present. If this truth speaks to you, like, share, and subscribe to The Empty Jar, where you can fill your mind with endless possibilities, unstoppable motivation.